So today I'm in Issaquah, Washington, and I'm at the famous Duthie Hill MTB Park. And my goal today was to session and ride Gravy Train. It's a black diamond with gap jumps. And as I'm progressing, I've been here a couple times and I've always wanted to ride Gravy Train. So that is what I'm going to do today. Stick around and see if I accomplish my goal. After leaving the parking lot, you follow a trail to an access road that leads to a central hub area. Most of the trails seem to start and end from this central area. Today, the park is busy with kids camps and skills classes. The central hub has a picnic area, pump track, and other practice skills features. I'm going to take a quick look at the trail map to find Gravy Train.
I think Alice would be great. Yeah, he just needs to...
Duthie Park is just another beautiful trail system. A lot of forestry, canopy, Pacific Northwest, soil, loamy soil. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so trying to find the world famous Gravy Train. I think I found it. Gravy Train, here we go. Yes. This is Ryan's Eternal Flow. Starts off with a nice little lip drop. Let's go check it out. That's fun. This is a cross-country trail called Step It Up. Just rained yesterday, so the roots are pretty wet. Nice and smooth though, my goodness. Super cool. Pump through there. Oh yeah. Fun. Oh, Deuces Wild. Sweet. Okay, this is Deuces Wild. It's a dual slalom racetrack. Very cool. Oh yeah. Sweet. Fun. Speed sprint to the finish. Oh, that's cool. So much fun. Oh yeah, a trail called Honey Badger. I have to ride that. I got all kinds of badgers on my property. They're fun. Got some pumps. Yo. Okay. And back out at the park. Lots of kids taking classes. Very cool. Wish I had that when I was a kid. All right. Try some trails over here on the other side. Check out this little flowy trail. Oh man, I wish I could be here for a couple days. Oh yeah. Fun. What a day at Duthie Hill Mountain Bike Park. Woo, proud of myself. A lot of progression going on. Got to session gravy train, that was my goal. I finished it. Still a couple jumps at the end that I didn't get to. And frankly, I was just getting a little tired. But wow, what a day. So stay tuned for the next video. We'll see you soon. And remember to be the chief of your own trail.